Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we have exciting topic. Give your kitchen stove a new look. Your kitchen stove is important, so let's make it look great. Before we start, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss our helpful home important tips. So let's start our video. First of all, paint the wall behind your stove and add a cool backsplash. It's like giving your stove a makeover with paint and stylish style. Instead of cabinets, use open slabs above your stove. It makes your kitchen look more open and gives your space to display your dishes and cool stuff. Get a new range hood. It can change the style of your kitchen. You can pick a stainless steel one or a wooden finished for a trendy look. Put put up fancy tiles around your stove. They can be easy stick on once or something more details. It makes your kitchen special. If you have space, make a little shelf next to your stove. Put your recipe books and cooking stuff and maybe some plants there. It's useful and looks good. That's it. These are great ways to give your kitchen stove and new looks. Your stove should shine in your kitchen. If you like these ideas, give us a thumbs up and share your own stove makeover tips in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more home important ideas. See you next time and enjoy cooking and decorating.